What's up guys, to this tutorial I'll be showing you how you're going to flip your camera to the left and to the right by clicking a simple steps guys. Of course, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel and please hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I upload my new videos. Of course, without further ado guys, let's dive into our tutorial. Pooh. First thing we have to do guys is to unlock. Just go to the camera source that you have. Just with this one. For me, I rename my camera to camera oy. Oy! This ko ah. So the first thing I have to do guys is to unlock this source because I put a lock on this one so that it will not be movable. Alright, as you can see guys, there's a green. It's ready for editing now. And let's go guys. What you're gonna do guys is by clicking simple steps, just first things you have to do guys, just check my mic is on the other side, so I'm going to flip this one on the other side by clicking a small step on this one. Just right click on your camera source guys and go to transform, flip horizontal. It's that simple guys. So now my camera is here on my left side, as you can see. Alright guys, and thank you so much guys. If you find it helpful, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my next upload video. Of course guys, if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and see you around next time guys. Thank you so much for watching.